And today I'm going to make apricot chocolate cookies. So I'm going to put the coconut oil in. Now I'm going to put coconut nectar in. Then I have to use a spatula because the coconut nectar is very sticky. Just this. Put that in the sink. This in the sink. Then I'm going to put cacao powder in. Just dump it in. Good. And now I'm going to put the banana bean in. The banana seeds to be more. Okay. Now all I have to do is mix. So you have to make sure all of the cacao powder is mixed in. No chunks. Which I'm having right now. Cacao powder is called the food, cacao bean is called the food of gods. And it has theobromine. Theobromine makes you happy. Make sure it's thoroughly, if it's not mixed in very good, it won't be sticky enough. And then it will just flop over the apricots. Go over the apricots. Okay, this is sticky. Okay, now I'm going to open this. And pour it. Okay. Now I'm going to split the apricots. Somewhere along the apricots there's a line. And that's where you have to rip it in half. It's just about right. And so, now I'm going to pour the chocolate on the apricots. Almost done. Not that good. Okay, now you put the macadamia nuts on top of the chocolate. Chocolate apricots, to be more precise. Okay. Go to hotrockchef.com to vote for me. Don't forget, do it now. That's hotrockchef.com to cast a People's Choice vote for me, Louis Bush.